We are tackling one of the most fast-paced sections of the entire Air Force officer qualifying test, Instrument Comprehension, also known as the IC subtest. You have just 5 minutes to answer 25 questions. That breaks down to a mere 12 seconds for each question, a pace that feels incredibly similar to the rapid-fire table reading subtest. Success here is not just about understanding the instruments, it's about processing them at lightning speed. The single biggest mistake you can make is second-guessing your initial read. The moment you look at the attitude indicator and heading indicator, your first interpretation of the aircraft's bank, pitch, and heading is almost always correct. Wasting precious seconds doubting that initial gut feeling is what causes most candidates to run out of time. The key is to trust yourself and immediately move to a process of elimination. This brings us to the most effective exam day strategy, a mental shortcut you can remember as 4-2-1. This represents how you eliminate the answer choices. Each question gives you 2 instrument dials and 4 aircraft silhouettes. Your job is to match the dials to the correct silhouette. Don't start by analyzing every detail. The fastest way to cut down the options is to look at the bank on the attitude indicator first. Is the aircraft banking left or right? Let's say the indicator shows a clear left bank. You should instantly scan the 4 silhouettes and eliminate the 2 that are banking to the right or flying level. Just like that, you've gone from 4 choices down to 2, dramatically increasing your odds even if you have to guess. This is the 4-2 step. Now, with only 2 options remaining, you'll use the pitch to find the correct answer. Look back at the attitude indicator. Is the aircraft climbing with its nose up, diving with its nose down, or in level flight? One of the 2 remaining silhouettes will match the correct pitch. For example, if the indicator shows a dive and only one of your remaining 2 options is pointing nose down, you have your answer. This is the 2-1 step. The heading indicator, or compass, should be your last resort, used primarily for confirmation if you have a spare moment. A common trap is getting bogged down trying to pinpoint the exact heading, like 275 degrees, when a general direction is all you need. Focus on bank first, then pitch. This systematic approach is crucial. For instance, if the attitude indicator shows a right bank and a climb, immediately cross out any silhouettes showing a left bank or a dive. This structured elimination is the only way to consistently beat that 12-second clock. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.